ano ba yung product natin na ipopromote? Okay. Bago ko i-share sa inyo guys, yung product na ipopromote natin, I want you to take a look in the market right now. In the market po, there are two types of products. We have these specialized products and essential products. Okay? When we talk about specialized products, these are the products na like the stem cell products, the antioxidant products, the probiotics products. So, those are specialized products. Maganda siya, effective siya, pero not a priority of the general market. Okay? Ulitin ko po maganda siya, effective siya, sophisticated siya na product, pero hindi ganun ka priority ng general market. So those are the specialized products. Pangalawa naman is this what we call as essential products. When we talk about essential products, these are products na basic, simple, na kahit hindi mo siya i-promote, kahit walang taong magbenta sa kanya, still hinahanap ng tao. Why? Because it has been part already of the people's lifestyle. It has been used ever since. Kahit walang networking, kahit walang mag-invite, kahit walang mag-promote, those essential products are actually still moving in the market. Later on, elaborate ko anong meaning niyan. Unahin ko po muna itong specialized products. Ang specialized products, ang drawback lang nito is that um, although effective siya, although maganda siya, but it requires a lot of explanation. Okay, so kailangan mo talaga siyang pag-aralan. You really have to know how to address objections coming from the customer. It's too technical, it's too scientific, and majority of the market, hindi nila gaano ito ka-priority. Unless doon sa talagang specific target market. So halimbawa, if you are selling a product na anti-cancer, hindi naman siya product that is intended for general market. Intended lang siya for a niche market. Okay? So before mo ma-convince yung niche market, kailangan mong explain yung mechanism ng product. So that's the drawback. Although effective siya, kaya lang napaka-specific, no? Hindi mo siya pwedeng i-market sa kahit kung sino-sino lang. You have to look for client na may cancer. Okay? And another thing is that ang long-term effect lang ng products na ito is that kapag nag-decline yung recruitment, kapag nag-decline yung um, invitation, kapag nag-decline ang sales, it is tantamount to say that the income will also fluctuates. Bakit? Kasi itong specialized products are not market-driven. They are more of a personal one-on-one selling. Meaning to say, medyo pushy siya, no? Kailangan mo siya talagang i-push, kailangan mo siya talagang i-promote para siya mabenta. Okay? So sana po nakuha niyo yung concept ko, no, as a comparison. Okay? And mostly etong mga specialized products will only cater mostly class A and B market, yung may mga capacity to pay. Okay? So or yung may mga specific need. Like for example, sabi ko nga kanina, if it's an anti-cancer, well, kung effective naman talaga siya na anti-cancer, there's a big possibility na bibilin talaga na yan ng pasyente, whatever its price, kasi need niya. Okay? So be it an expensive one, bibilhin pa rin niya. Kaya nga lang, mostly class A and B market. Kasi medyo may kamahalan ng specialized products. Okay? And apart from that one, itong mga specialized products kasi are highly inclined to personal selling. Ibig sabihin, kailangan mo talaga siyang ikaw mismo mag-promote personally sa client. And based on my experience po, although maganda naman itong specialized products, ang hindi ko lang nagustuhan sa mga specialized products, lalong-lalo na sa mga curative or rejuvenative products, itong tinatawag na healing crisis. I don't know if some of you have already experienced, maybe may iba sa inyo dito already into sales, already into network marketing that promotes health and wellness product, naka-encounter na ng healing crisis. Okay? You have to bear in mind na hindi lahat ng tao pare-pareho po ang metabolic reactions. May ibang tao, hiyang sa product mo, gumaling siya. May ibang tao naman nagkaroon ng adverse reaction. And some of us, majority sa atin, sinasabi natin, ay okay lang yan ma'am kasi that's actually part of the healing crisis. Okay lang sana kung yung katawan ng tao is ready enough to tolerate the healing crisis. Pero papaano kung hindi? Papaano kung natuluyan siya? So, baka eventually ikaw pa ang mapagbintangan, no, kung sakasakaling may mangyari sa kanya. So, that's why based on my personal experience, talagang ay iniiwasan ko na talaga itong mga specialized products kasi because I am afraid, no, of this healing crisis kasi my experience ako one time. He's actually a retired chief of police in our province. I was instructed by the person na nag-invite sa akin na yung product na yun talagang magaling. It can actually repair whatever yung illnesses sa katawan. So because of the convincing power nung nag-invite sa akin, I buy into that idea. So I promoted that product. Eh, when I promoted that product, the following day, I was so amazed because talagang humingi ako ng tawad doon sa tao na pinainom ko ng product na yun. Is actually our retired police chief because nag-shoot up yung kaniyang blood sugar, then nirush sa hospital, and I made an apology. Talagang hindi ko nakayanan yung trauma, no? Because talagang galit na galit yung tao sa akin. So sabi ko, time comes, ayaw ko na nung product na may mga healing crisis. Okay? And when we talk about business, ladies and gentlemen, medyo less ang duplication if you are promoting specialized products. Ano yung less duplication? Ang mundo kasi ng network marketing or multi-level marketing, you really have to be duplicated. Kailangan mong paramihin yung oras mo, yung time mo, yung effort mo through other people. So you have to invite people na magiging katuwang mo sa negosyo. Apparently kasi sa specialized products, the moment you join, you sign in, you register into that company, ang una-una mo kasing mindset is not to look for a business partner. Ang una-una mong ginagawa is naghahanap ka ng taong may sakit. Kaya ko nang sabing less duplication ang nangyayari sa iyo because majority of the people whom you invited are most likely sick people. Okay? Hindi mo naman sila pwedeng pilitin. Eventually, pag gumaling ni sila, hindi mo naman sila pwedeng pilitin to join with you in the business. Okay? So, hindi naman lahat ganun ang scenario, but majority, yun ang na-observe ko. Based on my experience, malaki ang kinita ko before when I used to push this specialized product. Kaya lang, at the end of the day, hinihingal ako, hinahapo ako, napapagod ako. Why? Because I found myself, ako at ako lang din, ang gumagawa ng negosyo, hindi ako na-duplicate, kakaunti lang yung mga uh, those people who actually whom I duplicated na talagang ginawa yung negosyo kasi nga majority ng mga in-invites ko ay most likely mga may sakit. Okay? So hindi entrepreneurship ang main focus. Okay? So unlike itong essential products, talagang dito ko po na experience before na it's very, very good to have an essential products. I've joined before a company, okay? Sabihin ko na lang yung pangalan ng kumpanya. I don't know if you are familiar with Vital C. Okay? Way back, that was I think 2010. That was 2010. Kakagraduate ko lang sa college, I joined Vital C. Bakit ako sumali that time sa Vital C? Kasi talagang ako mismo, I am a believer of vitamin C. When I joined that company, in a matter of 1 month, I could still remember on my first month, na-award ako as the rising star. Kasi yung income ko that time, kung hindi ako magkamali, it total to about 240,000 pesos. Yung kinita ko. 1 month and a half, no, total to 240,000 pesos. Bakit? Majority kasi nung mga na-invites ko, hindi mga may sakit. Those are the people na kahit walang sakit ay nagtitake ng vitamins. And it's very, very high demand sa market. Yun yung na-experience ko before when I push essential products. And the good thing is that pag essential products ang inexplain mo, lesser yung explanation. Hindi mahaba, hindi sophisticated, hindi technical, hindi too scientific kasi basic nga siya. Kasi kahit na hindi mo siya explain, it's already part of our lifestyle. Okay? At ito yung na-experience ko, guys. Ang Vital C kasi right now, they are no longer into networking, pero dito yung isang catch. Kasi if they are no longer into networking, yung product nila still moving in the market. Tama po ba ako kung napapansin ninyo? Not only Vital C, even Fern C. Yung Fern C, Kahit na nawala na yung networking nila, still, yung product nila nandyan na sa Mercury Drug, nasa Watsons, kahit walang nagre-recruit, walang nagpo-promote, their products are kept selling no in the market. Ano pa? One of my experience then before is if you are familiar with First Vita Plus. 'Di ba? It's a juice, it's an essential. Juice is part of our para bang routine kapag nauuhaw tayo, iinom tayong juice. So kung titignan ninyo, kahit na humina na yung networking side nila, but still yung product nila ay talagang bentang-benta pa rin sa market, consumable. Alright? So, and the good thing is that ang essential products will cater not only class A and B but also C and D market. So kahit na yung mga regular employees, regular people, regular wage earners, pwede silang bumili because they can afford. And the good thing is that you don't have to look for sick people. Hindi mo kailangan maghanap ng may mga cancer, may mga diabetes. Okay, so general market, no, general people, lahat pwede mong i-market when we talk about essential products. So yan ang advantage. Okay? Next, okay, now, let's have a comparison also. Ito yung nagustuhan ko guys when we talk about essential products kasi consumer-driven siya. Ano ibig sabihin ko ng consumer-driven? Uh, Time comes, kasi ganito kasi yung scenario sa networking. Yung first 5 years ng networking kasi talagang expected, bubulusok talaga yan, no? Sobrang lakas, ang daming nagjo-join, ang daming sumasali. Pero about 5 to 10 years time, that is the time where you experience na yung isang networking company nagpa-plateau. Ano yung ibig sabihin nagpa-plateau? Para siyang sa start, ang lakas niya, bulusok siya, then eventually nagpa-plateau siya. Hindi naman siya nagsasara, hindi naman siya humihina, pero nagiging static, nagiging stagnant yung growth niya kasi nasa peak na siya. Okay? Ang good thing lang is that kahit wala na gaanong nagre-recruit, nag-e-invite, nagpo-promote ng business, magtataka ka because still the members na naandun sa company na yan are still earning big enough because yung product ay hinahanap at hinahanap ng tao. Ang dami pa ring ang dami pa ring bumibili kasi bentang-benta pa rin ang product kahit na wala ng enrollment, wala ng join, wala ng sign up, wala ng product package sold. Basically, repeat orders na lang. So, consumer-driven siya. And for me, that is the best business. Yung tipong organic, yung generic talaga na bumibenta siya kahit walang massive promotion. Okay? Because etong mga products kasi na to are part of our lifestyle. Now, when we talk about vitamins, minerals, that's actually part of our lifestyle. And what I like with essential products po, ladies and gentlemen, napakabilis ng duplication. Bakit mabilis ang duplication? Kasi ang top of the mind mo, yung first thinking mo kasi, the moment you join the business, ang una-una mong hinahanap ay yung mga taong magiging katuwang mo sa negosyo, hindi ka naghahanap ng may sakit. Alright? So sana po naunawaan nyo. Don't get me wrong ha. Hindi ko po dinidiscredit ang mga products na wellness products na naghahanap ng mga may sakit. Maganda po 'yan, no? I am not discouraging you on that. What I'm just trying to say is that based on my personal experience, in terms of speed of duplication, mas mabilis po ang duplication, mas maraming sumasali na business mindset kapag ang product mo ay essential products. Okay? Sana po nakuha niyo po yung punto ko. And you have to remember, ladies and gentlemen, bakit po ba, Sir Ryan, may mga company nang nagsasara? After 3 years time, after 5 years time, humihina. Recently po, may na-encounter ako last week, no, hindi ko lang ibanggitin na company. May isang company po, it's in Davao City, but this company is an international company. Talagang napakalakas nila. Sobrang lakas when they started, and the members there are talagang millions talaga yung kinikita, no? Kumikita 1 million a month, 2 million a month. Kaya lang, all of a sudden, na-puzzled ako. Kasi bakit yung taong kumikita na ng 1 million a month sa company na yan, bakit siya lumipat ng ibang company, naghanap na naman ng panibagong kumpanya? Yun ang question ko talaga. Kasi if you are earning that much, there's no reason para ka lumipat. There's no reason para ka maghanap ng panibagong opportunity. Maybe there is something wrong. So when I call up the information, doon ko nalaman na yung products nila are already starting to decline. Okay? Because of majority ng benta nila before is more on of recruitment driven. But in terms of repeat order, humihina na sila sa repeat order. And you have to remember, ladies and gentlemen, na in network marketing, pay-in is equals to pay-out. Ano ibig sabihin yan? Alam niyo po ba na ang isang networking company ay kumikita hindi sa pay-in, kundi na sa repeat order. Kasi yung pay-in po or yung mga product package na binibenta ng isang distributor ay napupunta lang yan siya sa payout. Kasi of course, no, you have to give commissions. So meaning to say, what I'm trying to emphasize, what's my point is that yung longevity ng isang networking company is wala sa pay-in kundi nasa repeat orders. That's why kinonceptualize namin ng RX Lifestyle to have this kind of product so that eventually 3 years from now, 5 years from now, kahit humina yung recruitment side ng RX Lifestyle, we are confident enough na mag-sustain tayo kasi meron tayong consistent repeat order. Okay? Diyan tayo mabubuhay. At saka yung passive income ng mga distributors ay nasa repeat orders. When I say repeat orders, it is a consistent buying of products kahit wala tayong pinag-usapang negosyo. Okay? Sana po nakuha niyo yung concept ko. Now, etong mga specialized products kasi are pay-in driven or recruitment driven or product package driven. While these essential products are repeat order driven. Okay? So now, eto yung scenario kasi ladies and gentlemen, bakit may mga humihina na company after 3 years or 5 years time. Kapag ang company na sinilihan mo ay pay-in driven, initially, they have this what we call as volume membership. Maraming sumasali sa kanila. Maraming nag-join, maraming nagpo-purchase ng product package. Kaya lang, eventually, as the membership declines, yung kanilang income also decreases. Bakit? Kasi ang binibili before na malakas, product package, enrollment product, hindi repeat order for personal consumption. So, bibig sabihin, bumababa yung benta ng company na yan because majority of the members have a low compelling reason for repeat order. So sasabihin nila, kaya lang ako bumili before kasi kailangan siya for me to become a member. But it doesn't necessarily mean na kailangan niya ang product. So hindi niya priority, hindi niya need ang product. Bumili lang siya before kasi para maging member siya. So yun yung analogy. Okay, kapag PIN driven ng isang company. Okay? Now, unlike sa repeat order driven kasi, kapag eventually ang product naging part ng lifestyle, in the long run, even if membership declines, wala na gaanong nagre-recruit, nag-i-invite, still yung passive income will continue and prevail because nakapag-build tayo ng community of consumers. Okay? Yung community of consumers na yan have high compelling reason to consistently use and reorder the product. So when that happens, simple lang. Pag may demand at may supply, merong magbebenta at magbebenta ng produkto kahit walang recruitment. So meaning to say, magiging active ang iyong mga resellers. Okay? And when that happens, when there is a continuous movement of product, meron ka automatic na passive income. So, yan ang kagandahan kapag ang product mo ay essential product. Okay? So now, how are we going to do that one sa RX Lifestyle? Now, meron tayong pattern, meron tayong template ng success or this what we call as the success formula. Ano yon? Number 1, guys, kailangan talaga natin ng hero product. The only thing that we can materialize itong idea ng RX Lifestyle, we have to produce a hero product. Ano ibig sabihin ng hero product? It's going to be a category leader. Ibig sabihin, tayo yung mauna, tayo yung magpapauso sa ganitong product category sa market. Ibig sabihin po, this product of RX Lifestyle is not yet existing sa Philippine market. Tayo pa lang po yung nauna. Okay? Pangalawa, kailangan natin ng highly rewarding compensation plan so that every drop of your sweat, you are compensated. Okay? Pangatlo, kailangan natin ng empowering culture. Ano ba itong culture? Culture of equipping. Dapat yung mga sumasali sa atin, natuturuan natin because basically, bakit maraming sumasali sa networking eventually tumitigil? Dalawang reason lang. Kapag hindi yan siya kumita, ano yung reason bakit hindi kumita? They don't know what to say and they don't know what to do. So para talagang kumita, para ma-equip sila, tuturuan natin sila what to say and what to do through our trainings. Right? And lastly, kailangan magkaroon tayo ng corporate programs. Kasi napaka-boring ang isang company kung walang corporate programs. Okay? So we will all do everything, every programs, incentives na pwede naming maisip so that you will be empowered to really do this business na talagang compensated ka through our incentives and corporate programs. So basically, ito yung success formula ni RX Lifestyle. Okay? Now, the question is that, Sir Ryan, ano ba ang type of essential products na ilalabas natin sa market? Okay. Now, let's be or let's base this one on survey statistically. Okay, meron itong statista, this is actually a market research company na nagsasabi that one of the best business na pwede natin pasukan is this what we call as the multivitamins and mineral supplement category. Alam niyo kung bakit? In the Philippines pala right now, etong multivitamins and mineral is amounting to 3 billion peso industry. So every year, 3 billion pesos ang halaga na pinaghahati-hatian ng different companies, pharmaceutical companies like Unilab, ng RightMed, Rhea Generics, Pfizer, Bayer, no? So yung mga kilala, no, yung mga kilala na pharmaceutical companies, they are actually pinaghahatian nila itong 3 billion pesos every year. And don't you know na itong multivitamins and mineral supplement category, guys, meron siyang 9% na annual growth rate. So meaning to say, there is no sign of declining. So napakaganda. This is an opportunity area na pwede natin i-take advantage kasi napakaganda yung kanyang market landscape. Okay? Now, what we are intend to do is we will create a new category. Gagawa tayo ng panibagong category ng multivitamins and minerals na kapag narinig ng market, magbabago yung kanilang paradigm, magbabago yung kanilang perspective pagdating sa multivitamins and minerals, and they have no choice but to shift their brand preference. Lilipat sila sa atin. Okay? So, is that sound too ambitious? Ambitious ba siya na goal? Maybe sabihin natin that could be might ambitious kasi if you can if you can imagine, no, ang dami na kasing players sa market. But ako po, hindi ako nawawalan ng hope because later on, I'm going to explain to you ano yung advantage ng product natin. Okay? Now, talking also the competitive advantage ng essential products na multivitamin sa market, pwede natin makater ang mga students, young adults and elderly people, pwede natin itong i-cater. Okay, so hindi tayo selective. Hindi kahit walang networking na pag-usapan, kahit walang business na pag-usapan, ang daming estudyante umiinom ng vitamins. Young adults umiinom ng vitamins, elderly adults umiinom ng vitamins and minerals. I myself, every day, umiinom ako ng multivitamins and minerals over the counter. Okay, kasi need siya, essential siya. Okay? So kung titingnan natin guys, ladies and gentlemen, ito yung mga dominating market players right now, no, sa multivitamins category. We have the Centrum, the Pharex, the Sangobion, Pharmaton, Beroca, Rogen E. in which yung kanilang product pricing is nasa mga around kung di ako magkamali, right now I'm using actually Forex, no? Forex is actually a big complex. Ang pinakamura na sa mga 5 pesos per tablet. Okay, meron din naman silang yung advanced nila, yung tinatawag na Neurobion. It's actually tatlong vitamins lang din. Ang price is nasa mga 25 pesos each. Okay, 25 pesos. But to be honest with you, uunahan ko na po kayo, yung atin pong product na multivitamins and minerals, napakamura lamang po, no? If you will go for the higher discount benefit, which is the 40% discount, because we are actually giving 25 to 40% discount. So if you will buy the package that offers 40% discount, yung product natin will just be priced at 28 pesos lang. So kayang-kaya, no? 28 pesos, ano ba naman yung 28 pesos, no? And the benefits, mas enhance, mas advance yung kanyang components and ingredients, okay? Tingnan natin itong another example. If you are familiar with ascorbic acid or sodium ascorbate Fern C, Vital C, and Nature C, if you can still remember, they started in network marketing, no? Don't you know that ang Ferncy, ang dami niyang pinayaman na tao when they were still involved in network marketing. Kaya lang, sad to say, nung sumikat na kasi sa Ferncy, nawala yung kanilang networking. Ang nangyari is that Ferncy became a traditional mainstream distribution in the mainstream pharmaceutical. Kaya siya nandun na ngayon sa Watsons, nasa mga butika. So kaya yun lang, no? Yun lang ang sad thing kasi nawala yung networking side niya. Even as well Vital C, marami ding pinayaman ang Vital C, but sad to say, nawala yung kanyang networking. Pero gayon pa man, the thing is that kahit humina or nawala yung networking side nila, still the product prevailed in the market. Hinahanap pa rin ng tao. No, kagaya ng eto Usana. If you could still remember, ang lakas ng Usana before. Pero eventually humina yung networking nila, pero hanggang ngayon binibili pa rin ng tao, hinahanap pa rin itong multivitamins ng Usana. Okay? So, but of course, no, don't get me wrong. Baka sabihin nyo sa akin, Sir Ryan, baka eventually, pag lumakas na yung company natin, sumikat na yung produkto, hinahanap na ng tao, baka eventually you will shut down the MLM component, no, yung ating passive income. So, that is one thing na hindi po namin gagawin. Why? Because kami po, we speak the same language as you. Naranasan din po namin maging ordinaryong distributor. Masakit kaya na ikaw ang nag-build sa market tapos eventually isa-shutdown ang networking tapos wala ka nang kikitain. So we will not do that one to you. Okay? We will continue as long as the company is profitable, you are profitable, then all of us, no, tuloy-tuloy ang ligaya. Hindi namin isa-shutdown ang system kahit na lumakas na yung produkto natin. Alright? So, ayan, no? So, if you could still remember, Fern-C is the first category leader in the sodium ascorbate na vitamin C. Napakalakas nitong Fern-C before. Eh bakit? Sila yung nauna sa sodium ascorbate eh. Kaya siya pumutok sa market. Nawala yung mindset ng tao ng ascorbic acid. Ang hinahanap, sodium ascorbate na non-acidic. Eventually, challenge ang Fern C. May naglabas pangalawa itong Vital C. The first non-acidic vitamin C in real vegetable capsule. Ang dami rin itong pinayaman. Eventually, sumikat ang Vital C. Hanggang ngayon, sikat pa rin. Nandyan pa rin siya sa butika. Okay? And another thing, no, may naglabas din ng isang product, itong tinatawag na calcium ascorbate. Okay? Or Nature Z. Ang Nature Z, sumikat din ito siya before kasi ang may-ari nito is the owner of Love Radio, no, the Manila Broadcasting Corporation. Kaya lamang po, ladies and gentlemen, talking about these vitamins, um, disclaimer, okay? Disclaimer muna. Hindi ko ito sila sinisiraan kasi ako po ay user ng mga products na ito once upon a time. Kaya lang kasi when we talk about sodium ascorbate and calcium ascorbate, meron tayong drawback. Bakit? Okay, ganito po. Lately po, way back 2020, year 2020, during the height of the pandemic, ito yung na-realize ko. When I was studying about vitamin C, na-realize ko na Sodium ascorbate, which is actually, no, from the word sodium, it is a vitamin C derivative from the salt of sodium. Ang Philippine market kasi guys, we are already high in sodium diet kasi mahilig tayo sa maalat. Mahilig tayo sa bagoong, sa tuyo. So there's a big tendency that if you are taking sodium-based supplements like the sodium ascorbate and you are actually educated to do mega dose, no? Alam niyo yung mega dose kasi sinasabi sa atin before, kailangan uminom ka ng maraming vitamin C. Mag-mega dose ka, 3, 4 na capsule every day. Ang tinitignan lang kasi natin is the good side. Hindi natin tinitignan ang the other way around, which is hindi pwedeng tumaas yung sodium ng katawan natin because it can actually worsen the condition kapag meron kang high blood pressure or kidney problem. It may lead to increased blood pressure kapag tumaas yung iyong sodium. Especially that we Filipinos are high in sodium diet. So, kaya I realized na, teka, parang I think we need to look for an alternative na vitamin C na walang sodium. Okay, yun yung mindset ko before. So when I encountered another type of vitamin C, itong calcium ascorbate, medyo ako po personally ay hindi believer sa calcium supplements. Why? Kasi ang na-educate lang kasi natin, na pinapiniwalaan kasi natin na ang calcium ay pampatibay ng buto. Pero hindi natin alam na ang calcium supplements can actually lead to kidney stone problems. Because calcium can calcify. Alam niyo yung calcify, tumitigas. Pwede siyang tumigas. Given the fact that Filipinos are mahilig sa ice cream, mahilig sa milk, cheese, or dairy products that is high in calcium, the problem is that ang hindi kasi na-educate sa atin, if you are taking high calcium supplements, then you are also taking foods that is high in oxalates. Alam niyo po yung oxalates? Okay? Lahat po ng prutas at gulay natin may taglay na oxalates. May iba, maraming oxalates, may iba kakaunti lang. Like for example, ano itong mga foods high in oxalate? Like example, mais. Okay? Or itong okra. Or itong alugbati. Ano ba itong Tagalog sa alugbati? In Bisaya, we call this one alugbati. Okay? Or our native version of spinach, no? Alugbati. This actually contains high in oxalate. Ano ba itong oxalate? Ganito po siya ang oxalate. The problem kasi with oxalate, if you are taking foods high in oxalate, tapos you are at the same time taking supplements or food high in calcium, like for example, umiinom ka parati ng gatas, um, you are taking calcium supplements, eto kasing oxalate, ang paborito niya kasing dikitan is the calcium. So dumidikit ang calcium sa oxalates. Okay, para silang best friend, para silang magkaibigan that every time na magkita si calcium at si oxalate, dumidikit sila. Okay? For a long period of time, chronic, no? Siguro naging routine mo na itong diet na ito, kain ka ng gulay, inom kang gatas. Kain kang gulay, inom kang gatas. Tapos you are taking calcium supplements. Sa katagalan, no, hindi lang naman siguro buwan, siguro in 1 year time, 2 years time, 3 years time, the same experience yung kaibigan ko kasama ako sa work. Mahilig siyang mag-workout kasi nag-gym siya. Hindi siya kumakain ng rice. Ang kinakain niya ay raw vegetable, salad, no? Mahilig siya sa salad. Hilaw, hindi niluluto kasi talagang fresh. The problem with this guy is that he was not informed. Umiinom siya kasi nung ano, yung whey protein, if you are familiar with whey protein, na for muscle building, which is very, very high in calcium. Apparently, what happened to him was that kain siyang gulay, umiinom siyang whey protein, eventually, we are so parang shock, no? Na nalaman namin, he was rushed to the hospital kasi umihi siya, talagang lumabas yung mga parang buhangin, parang butil, no? Parang butil ng crystalline form, parang bato na maliliit. Bakit? You have to remember that oxalates from food binds with calcium. In the long run, it becomes kidney stone. Okay? You have to remember that 60 to 80% of all kidney stones is due to calcium oxalates. Tignan nyo yung mga gripo ninyo, guys. Yung mga tubo ninyo, kapag hinati mo yung tubo ninyo, titignan mo yung gripo, yung tubo ninyo, may mga dumidikit sa loob na parang um, parang parang putik na tumitigas or parang cement na tumitigas sa loob. Those are actually calcium. Those are calcium deposits. So, similarly, this happens also to our kidney. Not only to our kidney, but as well as to our artery. Kaya nga ako talagang hindi ako mahilig uminom ng gatas. Hindi ako mahilig uminom ng gatas. And besides, tayo lang naman kasi human beings ang matigas na ulo. Kasi ang gatas kasi is actually designed for infants. Di ba po? Ang gatas is designed para sa mga baby. Wala naman ako nakita na aso na dumidede sa kapwa aso. No, tuta. Yung tuta dumidede sa aso. Yung biik dumidede sa inahing baboy. Pero namumukod tangi na yung adult na tao umiinom ng gatas that is actually intended for infants. And we can actually blame that one kasi of course masarap naman talaga ang gatas lalo na kapag hinalo mo siya sa dessert, sa ice cream. Okay? But of course, no, the least that we can do is that if it's possible, hanap tayo ng other alternative, guys. Kung pwedeng humanap tayo ng ascorbate or vitamin C na hindi calcium based. Hindi based in sodium, hindi based in calcium. Hanap tayo ibang alternative. That's why kinonceptualize ko 5 years ago etong Rexovit. Okay? This is the first supra-vitamin formula in the Philippines. Ano ba meaning ng Rexovit? Ang Rexovit from the word Rex. Rex is a Latin word for king. Rexovit meaning to say king of vitamin. Yan po ang ibig sabihin ng Rexovit. Ang primary component po ng ating essential product is hindi sodium ascorbate. Neither calcium ascorbate. Bagkus ang ingredient nito, main ingredient is what we call as magnesium ascorbate. And believe me, ladies and gentlemen, tayo po ang pinaka-first na mag-introduce ng magnesium ascorbate in the Philippines. Could you imagine kung ma-educate natin ang buong Pilipinas about the drawback of sodium ascorbate and calcium ascorbate? What will happen? Pwede silang lumipat sa atin. Instead of buying sodium and calcium ascorbate, lilipat sila sa magnesium ascorbate. Okay? Because magnesium is highly water soluble. And magnesium is the most important mineral. Later on, I'll explain that to you. And besides, ladies and gentlemen, hindi lang magnesium ang nilagay natin. Nilagyan ko rin po ito ng vitamin D3. Bakit? You have to remember, vitamin C alone is not enough. Kailangan niya ng katuwang na vitamin D. Okay? But you have also to remember that vitamin D will not function kapag wala siyang kasamang magnesium. Yang tatlong components po na yan dapat ay magkatuwang. Ang problema kasi sa atin before, vitamin C lang ang na-educate sa atin, kaya laklak tayo ng laklak ng vitamin C, wala namang vitamin D. Eventually, lumabas ang vitamin D, laklak tayo ng laklak ng vitamin D, pero wala namang magnesium. So dapat yung tatlo po na yan ay present. Okay? And besides, to make it more effective, naglagay din tayo ng zinc orotate. Why? To boost our immunity. You have to remember that zinc is very, very, very important for our immunity. So, baliwala ang vitamin C, baliwala ang vitamin D kung walang zinc. So, dapat meron din tayong zinc. And of all the kinds of zinc, ang pinaka-effective and efficient and highly absorbable is this what we call a zinc orotate. Okay? And another thing, naglagay din po tayo ng ionic trace minerals. Ano ba itong ionic trace minerals, Sir Ryan? These are the 70 different minerals extracted sa ilalim ng dagat. Okay? Galing po siya sa ilalim ng dagat, pinerment for 2 years in Utah, USA, kasi sila lamang po ang may facility nito. Tinanggal ang sodium, ang natira po are the 70 macro and micro minerals including potassium, vanadium, chromium, zinc, and etc. No, 70, the full spectrum of minerals. Nilagay po natin dyan. And another thing, ako po ay believer sa B-complex kasi habang tumatanda tayo, minsan nakaka-experience na tayo ng pangangalay, pamamanhid ng ating kamay, ng paa. So we really need to take B-complex. So that's why naglagay tayo ng vitamin B1, B6 at saka B12. Okay? The good thing lang, ladies and gentlemen, is that in the Philippine market kasi right now, ang vitamin B12 na ginagamit is cyanocobalamin, which is, don't you know that cyanocobalamin is already banned in Europe kasi because of adverse effects. The good thing is that sa atin sa Rexovit, ang ginamit natin na vitamin B12 is hindi cyanocobalamin but methylcobalamin. A more safer and more effective. Yun nga lang, the problem is mahal siya. Kaya majority ng pharmaceutical na company sa Philippines, they stick to cyanocobalamin kasi mura. Ang methylcobalamin kasi medyo mahal. Pero we don't care. No? Kahit mahal siya, in-outsource natin, nilagay natin sa Rexovit kasi yun ang pinaka-effective at mas safer. Okay? And tayo pa lang po ang pinaka-first who will going to introduce methylcobalamin in the Philippine market. Okay? Number 8, naglagay din po tayo ng vitamin K2. Bakit vitamin K2? In order for your bone to strengthen, hindi enough ang vitamin D at calcium. Kailangan ng vitamin K2 because vitamin K2 will instruct vitamin D and calcium to bind in your bone. Magstay siya doon sa bone. So meaning to say, there is an absorption, there is a utilization of the vitamin D and calcium kapag may katuwang na vitamin K. Okay, so that's the good thing about vitamin K. Or simply, we call that one as menaquinone. Okay, vitamin K is menaquinone. Okay, then besides, naglagay din po tayo guys ng nicotinamide mononucleotide. Ano ba itong NMN? Okay? Basically, ito siya ay anti-aging or reverse aging. Okay? Ano ibig sabihin ng nicotinamide, no? This actually has the capacity to suppress no yung ating aging ng ating cell. So para siyang anti-aging effect in a way sa ating cell. But of course, you have to understand na may mga studies showing, sinasabi nila na ang nicotinamide mononucleotide ay hindi gaanong naa-absorb ng katawan natin pag wala siyang transporter. That's why naglagay tayo ng transporter, yung tinatawag na transresveratrol. Okay? So etong 10 po na ito, nilagay natin sa isang 500 milligram na capsule, which is a delayed release capsule. Okay? And at the same time, mas mura na lang siya ngayon. Kasi sabi ko nga kanina, the price of this product, if you are a 40% discounted member, 28 pesos na lamang po siya. Okay? Almost at par and the same sa presyo na nasa butika. Ang good thing lang sa atin, kompleto na yung essential na vitamins and minerals plus may kasama pa siyang business. Okay po ba yon? Okay? Now, next. Bakit magnesium ascorbate ang pinili natin? Bakit hindi sodium ascorbate? Bakit hindi calcium? You have to acknowledge that magnesium is the most important mineral in this planet. Magnesium is actually, binansagan po siyang the missing link of good health. Ito po yung pinaka-importanting mineral because it involves 350 metabolic functions of our body. Okay? Like for example, alam nyo po ba na ang magnesium is responsible para ang cholecalciferol or vitamin D which is inactive in form ay ma-convert siya into active known as calcitriol. So, kailangan ng cofactor na magnesium. So, baliwala yung nilaklak mo na napakaraming vitamin D kung hindi mo siya sinabayan ng magnesium. Second, alam nyo po ba na ang buto natin para maging strengthen or para maging yung integrity ng strength ng buto natin matibay, kailangan ng vitamin D ang cofactor na magnesium. Kailangan din ng calcium ang cofactor na magnesium so that it will be reabsorbed doon sa buto. Okay? Another thing, bakit may diabetic people? Bakit yung glucose sa dugo mataas? Simply because hindi na-utilize ng ating cell ang glucose kasi ang cell membrane sarado. Hindi makapasok ang glucose. Bakit nagkaroon ng lack, no? Nagkaroon ng hindi makapasok ang glucose doon sa insulin receptor? It's simply because kulang ka sa magnesium because magnesium is responsible for the lock and key mechanism ng insulin receptor. Okay? And another thing, bakit ba stressful ang tao? Don't you know that one of the reasons bakit stress ang tao? Because of the low level of magnesium. Pag mababa ang iyong magnesium, na-activate ang production ng cortisol. Kaya pala ang magnesium ay binansagang the calming mineral kasi para siyang in a way, it counters the negative effects ng high cortisol level or tinatawag na stress. Okay? Cortisol is a stress hormone. Okay? Next, bakit ba tumatamlay, nangihina ang isang tao? Remember that our cells requires energy. Our cellular energy is what we call as adenosine triphosphate. At sa loob po ng adenosine triphosphate na molecule ay meron pong naka-embed na magnesium. May nakadikit po na magnesium. So ibig sabihin, ang magnesium is involved doon sa utilization ng energy ng cell which is the ATP. So kapag humina ang iyong cell, meaning to say there is a poor utilization of ATP, maybe due to the reason na mababa ang level ng iyong magnesium. So ganoon po kaimportante ang magnesium sa katawan. That's why we intend to market first in the Philippines magnesium ascorbate. And besides, ladies and gentlemen, ito yung itsura ng cell na healthy. Mas marami ang magnesium kaysa sa unhealthy cells, mas marami ang calcium. Tandaan nyo po yan. Dapat mas marami ang magnesium natin kaysa sa calcium. Remember, calcium cannot be instantaneously dissolved by water. Tumitigas po siya. Can you imagine kung ang cell mo ay napakaraming calcium? What will happen to your cell? Naninigas, nagiging rigid. Unlike doon sa cell na mas maraming magnesium, magnesium is highly water soluble. So, ang ating cell ay mas nagiging makatas, plumpy at permeable. Okay, madaling makapasok ang nutrients kasi plumpy, firm at malambot yung ating cell, hindi matigas na binalutan ng calcium. Okay? Ayan. So, with this product, ladies and gentlemen, can you imagine 1 to 2 years from now, kung pagtutulungan natin itong negosyo natin, i-propagate natin sa buong Pilipinas ang importance ng magnesium ascorbate, which is tayo pa lang yung naunang mag-promote nito sa Philippines. Could you imagine if you can build your network of consumers, retailers, and business partners? What will happen to you? 3 years from now, 4 years from now, pag na-build mo ito sila, kahit humina yung recruitment side mo, for as long as people will keep on buying our product, this means to say, tantamount of saying that we will really experience this what we call as passive income. Okay? So talagang magkakaroon tayo ng continuous income. And besides, ladies and gentlemen, hindi lamang po ito yung product na ilalabas natin sa market. Right now po, I am formulating a new product which is a coffee. This is going to be the first coffee in the Philippines na anti-stress na siya, brain booster pa. Okay? So ilalabas ko rin yan siya sa market. Personally, talagang pinag-isipan ko itong i-formulate ito na product. Nasa production line na, ilalabas din natin siya. And eventually, ladies and gentlemen, not only that, because we will also be tapping home essentials, no? Time will come, magkakaroon tayo ng in-house brands na parang grocery, no? Can you imagine yung mga tao dito nabibili ng toothpaste, dito nabibili ng bath soap, dito nabibili ng mga common household products. Kahit na yung sabong panglaba, dito na nabibilin sa atin. Because sa totoo lang, right now, modesty aside, hindi naman po ako nagyayabang, ginagawa na po namin yan sa aming company which is Celestial Consumers Trading. We are already making those products. Ipapasok namin dito sa RX Lifestyle so that magkakaroon talaga tayo ng totoong passive income. Okay ba yon? Okay? And another thing, ladies and gentlemen, hindi ko po ito i-miss out because this is also a new breakthrough product na ilalabas natin sa market. This is what we call as the Rexion Energy. Ito po siya ay grounding technology. This is actually a kind of soil na na-extract po namin 60 feet below the ground. Hindi ko lamang po pwedeng banggitin ang exact location saan namin ito kinuha, but this is actually from a place guarded by native people. It is actually an ancestral land. Merong kaming hinukay doon, ito po siya, ito itsura niya, this is actually para siyang magnetite, no? Pinong-pino, para siyang magnetite. But interestingly, ladies and gentlemen, ito pong material na ito, kapag dinikitan mo siya ng metal detector, hindi siya tumutunog. Ibig sabihin, wala siyang metal content. Kasi hindi tumutunog ang metal detector. Pero na-amaze kami because kapag dinikit mo siya sa magnet, dumidikit talaga siya literally sa magnet, pero wala siyang metal. Kasi hindi naman tumutunog yung metal detector. And what's more interesting is that kapag itong pendant na ito, dinikit mo siya sa compass, yung compass po umiikot. Okay? Meaning to say, it releases is this what we call as polarity. Meron siyang polarity, meron siyang electromagnetic charge. So what's the point of having this product in the market? Kapag kasuot-suot mo po ito, it's just like you are actually 24/7 connected to the ground by absorbing electromagnetic field. Remember that the human body is an electromagnetic body, no? It enhances the flow of electricity within our body. So, kapag suot-suot mo itong pendant na ito, para ka naling electrically charged coming from the environment. Okay? So, this is one of our products. And another breakthrough product natin which has been in the market for more than a decade, etong tinatawag natin na Aeronox Fuel Saver, which is accredited po tayo sa DOST, DENR, DOTR, LTFRB, and LTO. Patented po ito sa Philippines and US. Tayo lamang po ang exclusive na nagmamarket nitong Aeronox sa whole Asia Pacific. Okay? So this is our exclusive product. Ayan, no? Okay, so having this product, ladies and gentlemen, I know for sure ang lawak po ng market natin dito, no? So the Rexovit, the Rexion, and the Aeronox. And of course, yung ating coffee. Majority ng tao ngayon palainom ng kape, but the problem with coffee in the market talagang medyo it's not good because of the caffeine content. So yung ating kape naman is anti-stress, brain booster, and contains high in minerals. So having these all products, madali natin siyang i-market. And it's very, very affordable. Okay? So now, going to our business side. What if sasali ako